So we're in Nara, and there are all these deer. Hey, bud. And you can buy, I've never seen anything like this shit. You can buy crackers and feed them to the deer. These are just wild deer. Well, I guess they're not very wild anymore, but they love crackers. Some more over there.
They're like biting me. They're horns. I have 3 more.
Allison just made friends for life with these deer. Are their horns fuzzy?
Yeah, they're really fuzzy. I want a deer friend. Pet deer.
Hey guys, look, you're on camera. Hey!
I don't have any more.
I want some more. You gonna eat my hat now? They're still hungry, so they're gonna go eat that chocolate.